Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beautifully Honest. And I just wanted to come on here to do a part 2 of my Glamnetic review. As you can see, I applied different nails. The ones that I did in my first review, they didn't even last 24 hours. Picture for proof here. The press-on ones came off pretty much a few hours later. Then the glued on ones lasted maybe a few hours more. And not all of them came off, but one or two popped off. So I watched other people's YouTube videos that have done Glamnetic reviews, and they said theirs had lasted like 2 weeks. So I was very shocked by that. So I'm like, okay, what am I doing wrong? And I talked to my sister-in-law and she's like, yeah, I do press-ons all the time. Not Glamnetic ones, but she does press-ons. And she's like, yeah, like sometimes they last me 2 weeks. And apparently they're really not supposed to touch any water for at least 24 hours. And I had washed my dishes pretty shortly after I had done that review. So I will not be doing that. So she said for hers to stay on, she actually does them right before bed. And then they actually get to like sit in your sleep. You're not getting them wet. You're not showering. You're not washing your hands. So best time to do them is probably at night before you go to bed. These ones are so cute. So when I put these on, it was after my sister told me to do them at night. So these, like, I've just been reapplying glue. It seems like the glue does last better than the adhesive press-on, but the adhesive press-on ones are probably good like for on the go, just to put in your pocketbook, if you don't want to carry glue with you. But yeah, they're really cute. The only downfall I have to say about them is that, like, the tip on this one, I don't know if you guys can see here, the tip on this one is already coming off the paint. As I said in my last video, it's just like the coloring on the tips is, yeah, they're all coming off. It's very hard to see in my video. Will I purchase again from Glamnetic? Probably not. The pros are that they have really, really cute designs. The cons is that for what they claim the quality to be, and it seemed like they were advertising as very different from like store brand ones. They don't seem that much different other than maybe more design colors. So it's up to you guys, but I'll definitely try doing them at night and seeing if they last longer. So that was part 2 of my Glamnetic review. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My next video, I found a Lululemon dupe on Amazon, a really cute workout sports bra top. So I will be reviewing that in my next video. So if you like Lululemon, but it's just too expensive to buy, I found a top that is literally just like the original and half the price cheaper. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all soon. Bye.